Only above the circle the sky is open.
Yes. Because we blessed it.
And today is the equinox, and we just set it up. Our medicinal circle is made entirely out of milk quartz. We are very lucky to actually live by a place which is full of milk quartz. And Andre just felt intuitively to make it today. And it's already working.
It's so beautiful, the sky. At least in this part here.
This part above the medicinal circle, it didn't fill up with clouds whatsoever the whole time. That's fabulous. So, what is the medicinal circle supposed to do? The medicinal...
Yes, circle, you said correct. It's, you can see me?
Yes.
Basically, it's to connect all the four elements together: earth, water, air, and fire, and to balance them. And all four races: the red people, the white people, the yellow people, and the black people, all together. And that's what it does. And it has a radius of pretty much what you can see. And then the more you put, maybe if you put 3 in your house, it really cleanses everything. It's amazing.
It's so beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you, baby, for making that for us.